Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. We had a company reach out to us by the name of Suparee, and they wanted us to do an install video and a functionality test of their new 7-inch lights that they've developed. And you can see it's got different lights in them, different LEDs. They've got side shooter lights. The middle one does a far out spot like your HD headlights on your vehicle, and then it's got the normal fog lights here. We're going to install these on Swinton's Jeep. Give them a good rundown for a while, see how long they last, and then give them a review afterwards. But that's what I'm going to be doing today. I'm going to get them installed, and then I'll do a functionality test to show you the different functions after they're installed. So stay tuned for that. Okay, first function I'm going to show you is the spotlight feature on these lights. Like I said, they just project a solid beam that's basically a spotlight. And let's check that out now. So you can see, literally, that's about a 12-inch round spot, maybe bigger, but keep in mind we're fairly close to the Jeep, probably 20 feet, so it's only going to get bigger as the distance increases. So that's the first function, and I got to tell you, we're literally at noon, broad daylight in Texas. As you can see, they're very bright. I'm very curious as what they would look like in the nighttime. It may be too much for, especially to shine in people's eyes. But so you can hook this all up together on one switch, both functions, or two switches for each individual function. Now I'm going to hook up the spot or the floodlight portion of it, which is, I guess, I think it's a regular flood. Let's check it out. Okay, this is your spotlight function, and I may be wrong on some of that. I think some of it is a spotlight, or I'm sorry, this is your floodlight option, but I may be mistaken. I think there's several functions in these things because you have 3 LEDs on the bottom that's one brightness and how it puts off its light, and then you have 5 on the top that are a different function, I believe, that are even brighter, and then you have your side shooter lights. But you definitely can't stare directly into these things. I'm seeing spots, but you can see here on the wall, they light up very bright in this shop here, underneath, especially underneath these pure white LED lights that I run here. But anyways, they seem to function pretty good, actually. These are gonna be pretty nice on the trail. And like I said, it does have the different functions. And I think time's gonna tell what functions do what. But it does have the side shooter lights on both sides. And then all the LEDs there around that actual spotlight. So I think it's going to be very interesting to see what kind of light these put off in the nighttime. And that's probably something that we'll take a little bit of footage of while we're in Schmore this weekend. Just so we can put it in the video. Maybe a distance thing, just to see how far they go. But take in consideration, guys, these lights are on the cheaper side. I know some of these 7-inch light pods can get up into the $1,000 range, and those are amazing lights. But some of us are balling on a budget, and we would rather spend money on other things. If these things last for a year, 2 years, I think they're going to be well worth the money, but only time's going to say. But I am going to do the install video and the review for these guys, and So that's what I'm gonna do now. I'm gonna finish buttoning up the wiring and make everything nice and clean because it's very primitive at the moment. So I'm gonna put you on time lapse, check that out, and then I'll do a good up close of these lights when I'm done with them off so you can see the difference in the LEDs. So stay tuned for that. Okay, I got them all buttoned up. Let's take a good look at them up close. So you can tell the different LEDs in these things. And then of course it's got the side shooters. It does have plenty of heating on the rear, or vents for heating. It's got the little breather here for the condensation buildup. Like I said, let's see how they work this weekend, and we'll go from there. We will put the link to these for their website in this video down below, and you can go check them out. Like I said, they are an inexpensive option. I don't know how good they'll be, but we shall see long term. If they're good, I don't mind saying that they're good, and if they're bad, I don't mind saying that they're bad. So stay tuned for the review. It'll probably be a month or two, because I don't want to test something for a week and say, oh yeah, they're the best light ever, because that's just not how I'm wired. So y'all stay tuned. We got a video of these, an actual video review of these coming soon, and we'll let you know how good they are. Until then, stay tuned for our new videos coming soon of Schmore at Southern Missouri Off-Road Ranch, and we'll catch you on the flip. If you don't mind, like, subscribe, comment, criticism, no matter what it is, good or bad. So we'll keep you posted. Till then, peace out.